Okay, so first we're going to install the deck filler. Slide the filler into place using the bottom track as a guide so we don't hit the same holes. I'm going to using the 1 1/4 screws, I'm going to screw down the deck filler. And that's, make sure that those are all flush. That's the deck filler. Okay. So the first thing we're going to do when installing the tracks is we have to determine which door is going to be our left door, which door is going to be our right door. For this installation, the outside is going to be our left door, and I'm going to use the installation instructions that read outside door on the left-hand side. So we're going to use the clips, install those in, make sure that you're doing the Allen key side up, and they install with this little clip going towards the inside. So I'm going to slide my top rail inside. That just slides in there, and then the other one slides in the other direction. Maybe. There's one thing to note, that on these slides you'll see that there's actually a groove in the edge of the clip and a groove in the edge of the rail that they slide onto. So once I have those in place, this is my top rail. The bottom, I need this one at 5/8 of an inch. So I can just take my tape measure, slide this over to 5/8 of an inch, then using my handy dandy 3mm Allen wrench, I can tighten that down, flip it over. This one is at 3 3/4 inches, and put that lined up at 3 3/4, and then tighten it down. That was a good shot. Now I can go to the other side, slide in my 2 rails, so again making sure that they're going in with the clip side in. This dimension on the top of this one is 1 1/4 inches. And then the bottom is 2 5/8. That's our top rail. I'm going to do the same thing on the bottom rail. This one is 1 1/4 inches. Notice that this is the reverse of the other side. We're going to 2 5/8, sliding the clip in. And when I'm lining these up, I'm lining them up with the back of the clip to those dimensions. To the reverse side, I want 5/8 here. Ah, got lucky. And flip it over, and now this is 3 1/4. Once again, lining up to that back edge and tightening down that last screw. So installing the bottom rail, we're just going to go in and set it in place, make sure it's tight up against the bottom deck using a 5mm drill bit. Drill out for the Euro screws. Get rid of all the dirt. Using the Euro screws that come with the kit, we're going to just install the rail. Okay, so installing the top rail, first thing I'm going to do is slide the rail into place. I am going to lightly clamp it. In. Install the other side. Line it up. Clamp it tight. And then come back, align this other edge, clamp it tight. Kind of wants to tilt in, but it'll straighten back up as we put it on. Take my 5mm drill. I'm going to drill out each of the holes. And then I'm going to use my Euro screws and reattach or attach the top rail.